reaching out for a helping hand.
Sometimes a person just needs to talk to someone. They might have suicide ideation, but they really don't want to do away with their life.
Warm Springs Prevention Team joined by Lines for Life, looking for volunteers to work the lines at their satellite call centers to help youth and young adults experiencing a mental health crisis.
The outreach for volunteer recruitment typically looks like working in the schools and working in community settings where youth are engaged, talking about the work that we do and talking about the impact of our work.
The organizations are primarily interested in looking for teenagers to work the call lines so they can help their peers.
The reason why the peer-to-peer lines work is because we have teenagers and young adults that know and understand what it means to be a teenager.
The Warm Springs Prevention Team, an organization made up of the Confederated Tribes of Warm Springs, reaching their youth by keeping them involved with their culture. Every summer, they hold a tribal youth camp focused on the topic of suicide prevention, a safe place for those who have or are experiencing crisis.
Before they go to sleep, we get into like a little talking circle, and they're able to talk about whatever they want. I mean, it's just like an open discussion, but many of them talk about they have tried to, they thought of suicide or they've attempted suicide and their family members don't know. And this might be the first time they've talked about it.
United States Senator Ron Wyden visiting the prevention team's building today as a major advocate for raising awareness for mental health and sharing a story of his own.
If there's one issue I want to make a big difference on in the future is mental health. My brother was schizophrenic, and every night for years on end in the Wyden household, we would go to bed at night worried that my brother was going to hurt himself.
If you or anyone you know is in crisis, you can reach out to the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline.